It's the 50th edition of the biggest business show in the world, and we have had a record-breaking number of attendees this year. The event is filled with 750 exhibitors and 25,000 visitors looking to scale up or start up their businesses. Our keynote theatres have been overflown with visitors looking to hear from Levi Roots, Lottie White, and so many more.
The vibe here at the business show is absolutely electric. It's so great to see so many SMEs and startup entrepreneurs.
Yeah, honestly, so excited to be doing the keynote here. I'm so much in favour of pushing everything towards entrepreneurship, and this is the biggest show for that. So yeah, absolutely excited.
The show's been great today. It's for us first time at the business show. We've met a lot of interesting different people, and it's great to see a variety of different businesses that hopefully we can get into one of our buildings at some point.
We love coming to Going Global Live. We're getting to meet loads of businesses who are just starting out on taking their business internationally.
The number of businesses and the sectors that are covered here is fantastic. So we've been rushed off our feet having conversations left, right and centre.
The energy of in-person is something you just don't get online. Just meeting people, getting that feel, actually building that real connection.
We've been running masterclasses, it's amazing, standing room only, everyone is so excited to be here, they're getting so much out of it, it is phenomenal.
The key benefit for Zenzo Digital for us being here at the business show has been meeting people face to face, new business contact. It's key for us really for future business.
When you come to an event like this, what you want to do is speak to as many people as possible, and this is what we're offering today on the Dell stands.
The vibe was really great. I think that in terms of the people who are here in the session, lots of people are very passionate about what it is they do.
It's a great show. There's a massive variety of lots of different businesses here, and everyone's super friendly and approachable.
If you're looking to gain business contacts and business advice, this is the place to be. We'll see you next year.